Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Omage, and it's another brand new episode of Omage's Diary. So today I'll be teaching you on how to make your own fabric face masks. And the list needed for this project is cotton fabric, lining, interface as filter, scissors, tape, paper, elastic, and a roller. But please use a tightly woven fabric for your face masks. It helps prevent the spread of anything getting in. Okay guys, now we finally have our paper block. First of all, you get a paper block, which you're going to use for your pattern. Then, on my paper block, I've already cut it out. I actually cut it out behind camera, and I have a 6 inches paper block, 6 inches here, and 6 inches here. So as you can see, the paper block is a square. I have a 6 inches, 6 inches. So first off, what I do is I take my measurement for my face mask. So it's a square face, it's a square block. So what I do is from this top end to this very top end, I'll take my 1¼ then I come to this very end of it. I'll take my 2 inches on it. Then normally what I do is I just connect at the same time. I just take all of my measurements, then connect. But for the fact that I'm actually taking a tutorial, I'm teaching, so I'm going to take you very basic steps, like step by step. So I'm going to be connecting at every measurement. So here I took 1¾ 1 inch and quarter, and here I took from here to here 2 inches. So I'm going to connect my 1 inch and quarter and to my 2 inches block measurement. Sorry. Then I've gotten this place. Then I come down below here. I take a 1/2 inch here. Half inch here. Then I come here, down here, I take 1½ 1½ on my block. Then I join it together. Then I come to this other part of it. I take 2½ inch. To make it easy, I'm going to be joining at every just to make it easier for you. So I'm going to use my armhole curve to get the 2 points together. So then from this very point to this point, I'll take 2 inches. So you have something like this. So what we'll do is then you cut out. So guys, I've cut out my pattern from the block. So this is what we arrived at. Then this is my fabric, this is my lining, and this is a filter. So what we do is basically you can use any cotton fabric for it. So I'm using this as my cotton fabric as a pattern, and some people can use colorful fabric, some people can use patterns, plain patterns, it depends, but this is what I have available now, so this is what I'm using. And you could still use the same fabric that you're using for the facing, for the face, for your lining. So it depends on whatever you want to do, so it depends on you. But me, I'm going to use different fabric. I'm going to use my lining and my fabric, then and a filter. So what I did was I've already ironed my filter in my fabric, because most of this fabric, so that we can actually braid well and it will filter anything coming in, because the COVID virus, most of this medical face masks has filter in it. So that's why we improvised our own filter and got this. So you can get it from tailoring shop, and yeah, from tailoring shops you could get this as your filter, then iron it to it, so it could filter any particles, anything coming into your nose. So what I will do now is I'm going to cut the pattern on my fabric. But what I do is I'm going to cut the right side facing each other. So I'll place it like this, with the right side facing each other. That's the same thing I'm going to do with the lining. The right side facing each other, then I cut. So there's no need of putting allowance, because I already put all of the allowance in the cutting. Secondly, I'm sewing with quarter, so I don't, it's just literally I'm taking off the face mask, so I don't need allowance for it. All of the allowance was with the pattern, so no need for sewing allowance. Okay, now guys, so we have our pattern ready. We have the face and the lining. So what we'll do is we'll just sew all around. So first off, we'll sew the main fabric together, then we'll sew the lining together. So we're just going to sew this place just to attach the two pieces together, then attach these two pieces together, and when we're done we'll let you know. So basically we're back with our pattern. So we just stitched it at this end and stitched the lining too. So we have two pieces now making it two pieces. So what we're going to do now is join the both fabric together, the lining and this, join it together, get the middle parts together, join together, then we sew all the way around, leaving these two places. So we're going to sew inside out, like we're sewing inside out. We'll sew it inside out all the way around. So guys, we've joined the pieces together, then I notched the edges. So what I'll just do is bring it out to the face, bring it out, and so this is what we have. So this is what we have. We already have our face masks almost ready. So what we do now, and this is the elastic that will take from our hair to wear the face mask. So what I do is just your normal elastic. You can either get this, the white one, the tiny one, which you can actually get hold of. So I take my elastic 6 to 7 inch long. So it depends on how you want it, how wide the face is, but this is just perfect, a medium for an average size. So this is actually 6.5, yeah, 6.5. So you could use 6, 7, depends on how wide it is. But someone like me, I use 6 for myself because I'm slimmer then. So you could use 6.5 is just the perfect size for everybody. So you take 6.5. Then what I do is I've already brought it out. For me to add the elastic, you take this place 1 inch inside. So you take your measurements, 1 inch, 1 inch, and you fold. Just make sure it's 1 inch in. You fold in, just take it in. 1 inch. Then you come this other way, 1 inch in, 1 inch, 1 inch. So you have to take it 1 inch in. You make sure it's 1 inch, then you iron 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. So it's actually 1 inch in. Then after taking it 1 inch in, what I do is I'll take my elastic so it can go all the way through just to hold the frame. I'll take my elastic and just put it here at this edge, at this other edge too. So then I'll sew. So to hold my face mask together is going to be this elastic. So I'll take the elastic just a little inside, like half inch or quarter inch inside. Then this same thing here. So that's what I'll do to the both side of my face mask. So I'll fold it 1 inch in, then put your elastic band inside just a little, just a nip of it, like your quarter, so you can actually sew in. So that's what I'm going to do now. Let me just take it in, then I'll go and sew. Guys, so this is our face mask. Our face mask is ready. Our face mask is ready. So this is it. Make this for your house, make it for your household, your family, your friends, and give it out. So easy to make and very, very nice. And this actually have filter, so that's another advantage it does. It has filter. So all right guys, stay safe. Don't forget to take the proper procedures. Wash your hands, use your hand sanitizers, and use your face mask. Stay safe and God bless. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to this channel so that you can get notification whenever we upload a new video. Thank you.